Sanibona and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ubongo vele ulele ka-Wendy and he woke up in the morning. What, you know what? Breakfast in bed. Yasetafuleni in the kitchen because plan yakhe bekungukuthi uzomhlaba nge-breakfast in bed. uMarona wavuka senyalo sotoshaya in the kitchen phela. Bavuke ba-happy kabi. Kodwa uFelicia ngalena uthi wazi wathi ungikwatisa ubongo. Lona bathi anamdlisile. Udlisiwe ubongo. Wena unobunhle realize ukuthi ama-millions aphumile kwi-trust fund yabo. She was so shocked. So Ubongo went there and took the money and paid Gabriel without saying anything to anyone. Manje when they find out ukuthi imali engaka iphumile, uFelicia uyahlanganisa 2 and 2 uthi hayi man, wangitshela ukuthi this is the same money that we used to buy uMaruna out of records, i-Revelations records deal wena. Ubongo uthi no, I just used my portion. Uthi hayi bo, ufuna ukusibona sihlupheka. Ufuna ukusibona sihlupheka wena Bongo. And uGabriel went to the news and told the news ukuthi vele uBishop dangerous. It's the most dangerous man. He wants majets nyalo. uMaruna doesn't have imali even for your funeral. Should she pass away, bantu base South Africa, they will need to collect a lot of money. So uMaruna don't ngcwatsha because uBishop udle imali zabantu. Yo, yaviwa nguWendy noNokuthula bathi chance yabo they're gonna use that. uNokuthula says that yena she went and vula icala against umfundisi for kidnapping, embezzlement and money laundering and what against ubaba uMbishop because he took Ishmael by fire by force. So Ishmael went there and said, hey girl, stop doing what you're doing. It is a lot. Even nasemsebenzini njena it's getting in the way of me to, like, doing my job. I don't even know if the people labang signing up they still want me there. Nokuthula hawe angithusa angenda ke lapho mina I will fight for umntwana. So Ishmael, how much do you want? How much do you want to thank for me like me? I just want you to call me mama. Oh, Ishmael was very cool. Yo, sana, what? He just up and left. Umpumi went ekhaya to see uMaruna. Wathola shame uMaruna athlalele ngaphasi komthunzi wakhe adlele ice block. She was like, did you hear the good news? But the Revelations record ilahlele uMaruna lapha njengechepisi lengasana shukela. Mina nje I'm here nje writing my songs for my award winning and I'm flying. When you write la ukhona khona uthi uMaruna yena so kuhlupheka kwami makes you happy. Uthi you know what? Nje inhlupheko will humble you. What? Basho bahlangana nomzi wakhe. Wathi ufuna ukumgive umzi wakhe was so surprised. Uthi uGabriel umpumi girlfriend yakhe. And uthi umzi wakhe, so when you offered me na your girlfriend. Uthi umpumi, what? uGabriel is trying to explain umpumi uthi wena khuluma uthi what? Uthi yebo, on a silver platter girl. I didn't know that you guys were together. Yo, sayibonile happiness fading away from Mpumi's face. Sanibonani. Hayi we guys, uBonke uyayifela ngoMaruna sham. uBonke uyayifela ngoMaruna and he has always felt the feeling of uMaruna for the love. It's just because umawakhe didn't want it. Kena waze wayishela ngowakhe umlomo ukuthi I will go to the ends of the world before wena ushada noMaruna, before wena uteka anything that belongs to the Tabetes and give it to Maruna. Kodwa the question is, who am I to say who you should be in love with? Who am I to say that wena you shouldn't be loving this person? Because inhliziyo bathi ayiphakele, ichuza leyifunayo yona nje. So vele everyone look in like relationship lamhlabeni and tried to go kule direction le ma-parents akhe bekamfuna kuyona kumbe inhliziyo yakhe ethi ikhethele ukuthi this is who I wanna love and parents are supposed to support you. Kodwa in this situation there's a lot of history. There's a lot of history because the history yakhona goes back to uPhila. Which was Gabriel and uMaruna's son. That they said was Mpumi's son all these years. So now Felicia is asking uBonke ukuthi since wena noMaruna senibiyelene ucheri yakhe kumbe step son sakhe kumbe Phila would be your step, as in I don't even understand what you call it. Because ayikho njalo ndaba usilokhu salakho. Awuwalk to the ends of the world before wena uthatha uMaron umenza unkosikazi wakho so that she can inherit anything lethi kwaThabethe. Hawu kusho iProverbs 31 woman kanti lithini iBhayibheli guys? Abasasho ukuthi forgive and forget. iBhayibheli lithi thy neighbor thy something somewhere around there. Kodwa njena the Proverbs 31 woman yena unjani? Kumbe lela kakhe iBhayibheli allows her to hate other people and love other people because bekayifela ngo-owethu. Bekayifela ngo-owethu too much and too big. But manje uMaruna doesn't deserve a chance nyana. And even noma kungukuthi asithi uBonko is crazy in love with uMaruna, yena as a mother isn't like I think she's supposed to be supporting uBonko because uBonko mntanakhe. And sometimes in some other situations when your child is in love with someone else and when you're trying so hard for them or to separate them, you might lose your own child kuleyo case leyo. So uFelicia is not scared of losing uBonko. Phela manje ufanele ukuthi uMaruna sekanele ekhaya because uWendy noMpumi, I mean they moved out and went to the burbs and then uhlala ayi-one kuyo yonke le ndlu leya. So uFelicia, I feel like she should trade lightly ngoBonko because uBonko could just like pick up his stuff and go ukuhlala lapha kaWendy. La inhliziyo yakhe lokukhululeke khona where he knows ukuthi I'm loved, and I feel like uMaruna has proved to all of us that she really does love uBonko, and she can go to the ends of the world naye to make sure that she ends up with the person that she feels like she loves the most, which is uBonko. uFelicia yena uthi angeke, not when it comes to timali takaThabethe. No. Umuntu uzudlisiwe wena. Hawu ngithi hayi bo guys, uBonko aphuziswe kangaka. uBonko uphuzisiwe phela. The adults were there to make sure ukuthi uBonko uyaphuza and uyatake out whatever it is then abathi uMaruna put on him ihleli la esifubeni. And when they left there they said that isifuba somfana sihlobile. uFelicia herself even said that uBonko is glowing. So nyalo, where is this idliso coming from? Shows uMaruna ngambuka so uBonko uyadla. Maruna wambuka nje uBonko uyadla. I feel like it's high time they accept that uBonko is in love with uMaruna, and whatever it is that they do or they try to do, it's not gonna work. Ishmael's mother yena angazi we guys ukuthi uthola kuphi indlela ukuthi i-relationship iyakhandwa ngale ndlela forcefully. I feel like she's forcing uIshmael manje because uIshmael sekwesibili manje coming back to her to tell her ukuthi stop it, and I don't understand ukuthi yena ufuna ukustopa uma sekwenze njani. What is the end game for her manje? What if uIshmael decides ukuthi you know what, this is too much for me, I can't take it anymore. The only thing I ever wanted to do was to sing gospel and bless people, and he decided to do the unthinkable with his life in the name of I will bring peace for the Hlophes, I will bring peace for Fistosi, and the people that are most loved, they will be safe. And because I feel like the only thing that he always wanted to do was to do the best thing for the people that were there for him when he was struggling, which is the Fistos, number one. Number two, Ubaba Bishop and his family. No. So manje nyalo, everything that uNokuthula is doing goes back to these people and it's hurting them. What if he decides ukuthi yena the best thing for this whole situation is unalive himself? What is uNokuthula going to do? How is Uwendy going to support uNokuthula? Because yena nyalo, she feels like she's supporting uNokuthula because they both they've experienced the same thing. Isandla semfundisi, sabo hotel, sabo money laundering and what. Umzwakhe was just like walking and he was like, how Mpumi was like, hey, wena why when there's something and then you decide not to hold your end of the deal. Umzwakhe was surprised ukuthi your girlfriend yaka Gabrielle, very surprised, very surprised. Kodwa wathi hayi wena amadrama ngivani nawo, umuntu wakho nje ukulethe kumina. And remember during the day Few hours before that, Umpumo went to Maruna just to gloat, to tell Maruna ukuthi yena imali is coming inside and out. So Maruna jina shona ahlala lapha in the poverty, and my ice block under the sun. And I don't understand ukuthi ufuna kuze kwenzekaleni. Umpumo didn't even tell uMaruna ukuthi vele she slept with umzi wakhe. And uMaruna tried so hard to get ukuthi hey, tell the truth. Kodwa Mpumi didn't. She was flying like a flying machine. Even when she got there, she was flying like a flying machine to Umaron. Now it's turning out that Gabriel manipulated you all this time to think that you are the one who decided that you're gonna do this, but it was not you. And Mpumagazi Gabriel is just true. Gabriel agana my answers. Trying J go to my answer is no way. Makes me wonder what's Mpumagazi because she's the one who said, you know what, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, and she feels like she's the one who said that I was gonna do it. Kodwa manje, when she sits down and realizes what's I man. So this man said this and that and that and that to make me think that Hypo. She's going to realize a whole lot of things and remember Maruna's words when she said that don't trust Gabriel because Gabriel is not humans. Even uBishop Ushonjalo uthi Gabriel is an evil man. Kwayena uWendy says that I can't believe that an evil man like Gabriel can do something like this. And Umpumo didn't tell anyone about this situation yakhe nomzi wakhe. The only person who knows about this is Gabriel. And a few days ago, Gabriel was giving Umpumo hard times. And now everything needs to come back to Umpumo to say, hi, this man convinced me to do this and made me believe that I'm the one who made the choice to say that I'm gonna do it, right? And a few days ago, I tried to do the deed with him, and he said no. He's saying blah 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 blah. Now I'm finding out that he is the one who said no. There's someone who's way more desperate than Umaron. What does that make her like? How does that make her feel as a person? Because I'm the desperate one. Whatever it is that they want is Umaruna, but because I'm so desperate, people say because